Hi, this is Jonathan Lam. This is a file analysis video for NYU Sci 4, Professor Fernandez Digital Forensic class at NYU Poly. In this video, I will use the WinHex application to discover the 5 types of files that have no extension, use Gary Kessler site for its signature table, and the HashMyFiles application to calculate the MD5 hashes. The WinHex application as well as the HashMyFiles can be downloaded at this location from this site, but Gary Kessler library is at this URL. As you can see, I have created 11 files with no extension attached to them, and using WinHex, I can easily identify some file types, while others require a little bit of investigation work. The metadata that associate with this file that identify the file types not only can be stored at the beginning, but might also present in other areas, often at the end of the file. We will select one file out of this list and see if we can identify its file type. But first of all, we have to start WinHex, but make sure we run as administrator. Yes. When WinHex starts, what I'm going to do is open my drive C. Say OK. What it does is going to take an image of my drive. Take new one. OK. It takes about 30 seconds to get an image of my drive. And we're done. Now we have the completely new image of the up-to-date image of my drive C. I'm going to navigate to the location where all my files are. Lesson 3 files. See, we have 1 to 11. Let's pick one file to do the analysis for this video. Let's pick file number 4. I click on file number 4, right click, go to navigation, go to beginning of file. I want to make sure that I am at the beginning of the file. What you can see is the hex signature of the file type, D0CF11E0. And this is the ASCII representation of that. And I have no idea what kind of file is this. So now we're using Gary Kessler signature to find D0CF11E0, and it tells us that it's a Microsoft Office application. But we don't know if it's a Word application, PowerPoint, Excel, or Microsoft Wizard. So we need to do a little bit more investigation. How? I'm going to double click on file number 4 and view the whole file in the window here. So we're going to search for it. Oh, I think this is the secret key for this file that we're looking for. Let's come back after. So I'm going to go all the way to the end of the file, and it tells me it's a Microsoft Office Word 97 2003. So now I know it's a Word document, and the extension is going to be .doc, not .docx. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the directory where 504 is. I'm going to copy that file, paste it to the same directory, and change the name to 504.doc. Let's see if this is a correct file type that we have identified. Double click on file, doc. Yes, it is. It is a Microsoft Word, and it shows this string. And I think we saw this string before. Let's take a look. Hex, let's go find that string that we identified earlier. Where is it? Here it is. Is it the same as the one in the Word document itself? Let's take a look. DAAA Studio. It looks like an exact match. So what we have done is that now we found the file type of this file 04. The next step we do is that we want to make sure that both files are the same by looking at the hash, MD5 hash of both files. I'm opening my hash my files, go to File, Add Files, navigate to the folder, put file 04 and select file04.doc and open. As you can see, both MD files are the same. Now you can use the same technique on the rest of the files. Discover the correct file type, find the secret string, and good luck.